Still using outdated POS system for your food business?
Meet Parrot POS for Android, built for faster and smoother daily operations.
Take orders quickly with an easy-to-use touchscreen interface.
Apply regular, senior, and PWD discounts instantly with accurate transaction processing.
Support multiple payments options for faster and more flexible customer transactions. Print customer receipts and kitchen order slip instantly for smoother daily operations.
Compatible with Bluetooth and Ethernet printers for flexible setup and fast printing operations.
Monitor sales and business reports in real time, anytime, anywhere.
Upgrade your business operations today with Parrot POS for Android.
Contact Zank POS Enterprises to know more!